Imagine a product that is supposed to promote your health could instead pose unexpected risks. Probiotics, often touted as miracles for gut health, are highly popular worldwide. But what is really behind these promises? Today, we take a critical look at the facts. Probiotics, living microorganisms that are said to promote balance in the gut, have gained rapid popularity in recent years. The gut houses trillions of microbes that not only influence our digestion, but also our immune defense and even our mood. But how effective is the targeted use of probiotics really? New scientific findings provide us with exciting yet sobering insights. Lukasic and his team investigated in the year 2024 how probiotics work after antibiotic treatments. Their results were partly promising and partly sobering. Some participants benefited from improved bacterial diversity, while others noticed no effect at all. In these cases, the probiotics passed through the gut without any effect. These observations make it clear that the effectiveness of probiotics strongly depends on individual factors. Anthony and colleagues published a study in the year 2022 that showed the composition of a person's microbiome is crucial in determining whether and how probiotics work. Imagine the microbiome as a garden. In a well-maintained garden, new plants, meaning probiotic bacteria, can thrive easily. However, in a neglected garden, such as after antibiotic treatments, the foundation for them to take root is often lacking. In the year 2022, Winston and his colleagues highlighted the potential risks of probiotics. Their investigation showed that in probiotic users after antibiotic therapy, not only was the recovery of the gut flora delayed, but the risk of antibiotic resistance genes also increased. Particularly problematic is that certain bacterial strains can exchange resistance genes in a weakened environment, a potential danger to health. John and his colleagues demonstrated in a controlled study in the year 2024 that targeted probiotics can be promising. They found that the targeted administration of specific bacterial strains not only helped maintain beneficial microbes, but also reduced the proliferation of resistance genes. Such tailored probiotics could pave the way for individually tailored therapies that go beyond the effects of conventional products. One of the most effective measures to promote gut health is a balanced, fiber-rich diet. Legumes, whole grains, and fruits can stabilize and regenerate the gut flora. Fermented foods like sauerkraut or kefir are also natural sources of living microorganisms that can strengthen the microbiome. Initial improvements can often be observed after just a few weeks. In summary, research on gut health is dynamic and promising. Probiotics can be a valuable addition for certain conditions, but the foundation of a healthy gut flora remains a balanced diet. Individual recommendations are essential in this regard. Actively shape your gut health. Stay informed about the latest scientific findings and discover what is good for your body. A healthy gut is an important aspect of a long, fulfilling, and happy life. Given the complex interactions between probiotics, the microbiome, and individual health, it is important to make informed decisions. Which probiotic products have you already tried? Which foods do you believe particularly promote gut health? Share your experiences and discuss with us. And as always, we wish you all a long, healthy, and happy life. Until next time.